Additional views of the model can be created at any time. The views are automatically updated as the model is revised. With the floor plan view open, select the View tab on the ribbon and select the Section tool to draw a building section. Click to define the starting point of the section line. When you move the cursor, the section mark displays, and then you can click a second point to create the section view of the building. Use the flip arrows to have the section cut through the model in the opposite direction. The cycle symbol near the end of the section line can be used to change the graphic display of the section head family used for the section marker. Double-click the section head marker to open the associated view. From the section view, you can create a callout view of the wall. First, select the callout tool and then use the type selector to change the view type to be a wall section. The type in this case is used to help organize the project browser, so it's easier to find the views once they are created. Click once to start the callout and then click again to complete the callout area. Use the grips to adjust the callout boundary or move the reference marker as needed. Double-click the callout head to open the callout view. Notice the scale of the view was automatically assigned to be one scale larger than the view the callout was placed in. The scale can also be changed manually if required. The crop boundary of the callout can be turned off in the view control bar, so the view looks a bit cleaner. The detail level of view can also be changed to show more detail related to the wall construction. Use the callout tool again and change the type to detail to add a detail callout to this view. Again, the scale has been changed and the detail crop boundary is turned off. Notice that the section and detail views have been added to the project browser.